So right here, we're gonna have Google. We're gonna have all of those apps. We're also gonna have a few Microsoft apps. We're gonna have our Play Store. That's to download all the apps that you guys want. If you guys scroll, you guys are gonna see this as well. But except for one that you guys will not see is this one, that mobile one. You shouldn't get that one. I guess that would be the only one that wouldn't be pre-installed right here on your phone. Other than that, if you guys just scroll down like so, you're gonna see even more apps right there. So again, you shouldn't see that one, but that and that, yes. Like for example, your Samsung, some of them, if you guys didn't put a check mark, you might not see a few of these. But other than that, these are all the default ones. Those come pre-installed on your phone already. You can go to the site and view a few more right here. So you do get YouTube Music, for example, wallets right there. So you can set that up. And if you scroll down again, it actually scrolls back up, if that makes any sense. If you want to view a few more apps, for that matter, just press there. You're going to see these. So those also come pre-installed. Press back there, put it to sleep. Just press here on the power. It just went to sleep. If you ever guys want to fully turn it off, because right now it's just sleeping, to turn it back on, you just press that. You swipe up to unlock it, put in your PIN. Once you put in your PIN, you're already in your phone, and there you go. So it's that easy to wake up your phone. If you guys had fingerprint, Face ID, all that stuff, well, that's different. You wouldn't have that PIN like I did. Now, as far as your volume keys, those are on the side. So if you put it down or up, you press it here. So that's how to turn down the volume from your Samsung. That's how to turn it all the way up. Now, if you guys want to look at more about your volume, just press on it. You're gonna see those three dots, tap on them, and you're gonna see this. Because there is different volume, for example, for your music, for your phone that's ringing, and other options that you guys saw there, which we can move them around. Now, if you ever want to turn off, fully power off your Samsung phone, all we have to do is just hit your power key. So if you hold on to it, plus your volume, you guys will notice it's gonna bring you to a screen where you guys can power it off, fully power it off. So as long as you hold on to both for just a little bit, you should see this. So there's your power off, restart, medical information, emergency, call. So right now we can just press on power off. That's gonna power it off. Restart, just gonna basically power it off and power it back on. So it's not gonna erase anything. Don't worry about restarting it if that's why you're watching this. Just gonna do that once again so you guys can see that. So we're just gonna hold on to these two until we get that. And right here, we're just gonna press on it to turn it off. And to fully power it off, we just press down power off. And there we go, it's fully turned off. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys want to power it on again, so it's fully turned off, just hold on to the power button and then it's gonna turn on. And that's it. But as far as the setup video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.